What's up, everybody? Joey Jojo back here with you, and I'm here doing a movie unboxing of a movie I just picked up today. It's called Camp Coldbrook, and I know nothing about this movie or nothing about it. I just know it's a scary movie, and main reason why I picked this up because I'm a huge fan of Danielle Harris, and saw this came out today, and I figured, well, for $10, why not? But I'm gonna check it out today. This is this back of it. This pretty much whole storyline of the movie, and yes, she looks like she's scared. But yeah, I'm gonna watch this in a minute. Just figure I'd give you all a quick unboxing. It's got the slip cover on it. I hate those things. But yeah, I'm gonna open it up here in a minute and check this bad boy out. Have a good one.